This is TCL 50 SE, and today I'll show how you can fix hacked system on this device. So I recommend that you begin by launching the Google Play Store, then tap at your, well, first of all, you gotta have the internet connection. So let me quickly establish that. Now tap at your profile picture, open the Play Protect, and run the harmful apps scan. So if this tool will find any harmful apps on your phone, it will, well, tell you about that and you will be able to deal with that issue later. Then what you might also want to do is to install some third-party antivirus solutions such as Avast. So if you have any better security apps in mind, just go for it. It doesn't have to be this particular app, of course. So get it installed, follow the instructions that you'll see on your screen, and well, this app allows you to run the antivirus check and just overall see if your system has any security threats, breaches, and so on. Then what you might also want to do is to check the list of device administrators. So go into the settings, look for the device admin apps, and see in this list if you see any app that you do not remember providing with this access, and if you do, deactivate it and uninstall such app right away. And the way you uninstall apps on this phone is by entering the apps category of settings, then go into the See All Apps, find the app in question, and simply get it uninstalled. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.